25L automatic filling production line. Application range: the equipment is suitable for chemical, petrochemical, food raw materials, pharmaceutical and other industries. Basic parameters: power supply AC 220V 5060HZ 0.2 kW gas source 0.5-0.7 par. Filling volume 10-30 kg graduation value 10 G. Filling capacity 180-240 barrels H. Filling accuracy less than or equal to 0.1% FS. Material of filling gun SUS 30 for SUS 316 PTFE optional. Explosion proof grade X11 BT4 optional. Main features: the system adopts programmable PLC controller and full Chinese guidance operation with reliable performance. Automatic conveying, automatic nitrogen filling before and after filling, automatic filling, automatic capping and capping. The overall process of filling gun is made to prevent dripping and splashing, quick release joint, easy to disassemble and wash. The system target value can be set freely, and the height of the filling gun is adjustable, which is suitable for fast filling of various specifications of packaging barrels. Equipped with large and small ball valve groups and two-stage filling guns, large, medium, small and micro four-stage filling design, stable and fast filling. Filling is prohibited without barrels on the scale, differential pressure type 0 time difference barrel collision protection. Automatic selection of two filling methods, heavy to gross weight, automatic peeling of each barrel. One button operation, easy to use, multiple windows display information such as filling volume, number of barrels, cumulative volume, etc. There is a signal indicator for instant display, an automatic alarm for out of tolerance. Good stability, reduced loss, cost saving, improved operation efficiency, and reduced manual operation pressure. Operation instructions: the equipment automatically transports empty barrels to the nitrogen filling area for pre-filling nitrogen filling. After the nitrogen filling is completed, the power roller transports the packaging barrels to the filling area for filling. After the filling is completed, the full barrels are automatically transported to the upper cover area for post-filling nitrogen filling and automatic upper cover. The rear end can be modularly configured with automatic labeling machine and automatic palletizer.